Hi, Dani. What are you doing? That's JoJo's seat.
Yeah, that's what I was wanting to get down. She just shook her head.
This morning she was in the nursery. Well, she went into the nursery before it was time for the service to start, and we just left her in there. She got really upset because she wanted to come and go, and she wanted to. And what was I going to say? Oh, and I went in there and she was crying and everything. And I said, "Do you want to play with toys?" She goes, "No." Shook her head really. "You want to stay in the nursery?" "No." Talking about you. Hello, I'm Becky Stillwell, news reporter for the Cobras for WWAH radio station and TV, and I'm standing here today at the site of the Cobras Anchor Inn versus the Winfield. The Winfield won.
Now you can tell them what you're going to do. Okay, this is Joshua Stillwell in front of our apartments, and he's going to tell you what he's going to be doing in the next few minutes. Okay, you tell Grandpa and Grandma what you're going to be doing. You got to stand in front of it or they can't see you. You got to stay straight.
And go with Papa on the street.
On a bike ride, right? Okay, are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you got to turn your bike around. Well, we're going to go on the street. So,
If I get big, I can.
okay, you call me, Justin. You can talk to Grandma and Grandpa. I can put my bike here. Because it's not acting right. The bike isn't acting fine. Oh, I see it's wrong. Tell them that we had to fix my bike.
I have to fix Papa's bike.
Okay, you ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's start. Okay, here we go.